Welcome to ABCD Kids World. Let's learn some amazing words ending with an. Are you ready, kids? Let's go!
Ban. B is for ban. Let's spell it. B-A-N. Ban. B-A-N means to stop or not allow something. Can. C is for can. Let's spell it. C-A-N. Can. Can means to be able to do something. Fan. F is for fan. Let's spell it. F-A-N. Fan. F-A-N means something that blows air. Man. M is for man. Let's spell it. M-A-N. Man. Man means a grown-up male person. Pan. P is for pan. Let's spell it. P-A-N. Pan. Pan means a dish used for cooking. Ran. R is for ran. Let's spell it. R-A-N. Ran. Ran means moved fast, the past tense of run. Tan. T is for T-A-N. Let's spell it. T-A-N. Tan. Tan means a light brown color. Van. V is for van. Let's spell it. V-A-N. Van. Van means a big vehicle used to carry things.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to ABCD Kids World, because your support helps us grow, and we love having you with us. Hit that button now. We're waiting.